Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Profit Workout Planner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Profit is a workout planning app designed to help users structure gym sessions with clear routines, guided exercises, and progress tracking. It provides personalized training plans based on fitness level, goals, and available equipment. The app includes demonstrations, rest timers, rep tracking, and detailed analytics to help users stay consistent and improve performance over time. It's available on both iOS and Android. The main feature of Profit is its customizable workout planner. Users can follow pre-made programs or create their own routines from the exercise library. It also tracks personal records, sets, and weights, making it easier to monitor long-term progress and adjust workouts as needed. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, accurate progress charts, and flexibility in building personalized workouts. The exercise demonstrations help reduce mistakes, and the structured planning keeps motivation high. Users also like how the app stores training history for future reference. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features, such as full workout analytics and certain personalized plans, require a subscription. A few users report occasional syncing issues and incomplete exercise categorization. Additionally, beginners may find the custom plan builder slightly overwhelming at first. In summary, the Profit app may be worth using if you want a structured workout planner, customizable routines, and long-term progress tracking to improve your training consistency. However, if you prefer fully guided coaching or don't want to pay for premium features, it might not feel essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.